Hi, I'm Kurt Valenzuela, and today I'll show you how to analyze arguments and identify what rule of inference they fall under. So for our first statement, tamaraws live in the Philippines and are near extinction. Therefore, tamaraws are near extinction. Within this argument, there are two separate thoughts. Tamaraws live in the Philippines and are near extinction. We have to assign which of the following thoughts are P and Q. So for my P, I have assigned tamaraws live in the Philippines, and as for my Q, I have assigned the thought tamaraws are near extinction. Once done assigning, we can now fully analyze and identify which of the following rule of inference this argument falls under. So for our first sentence, tamaraws live in the Philippines and are near extinction. The two thoughts have been combined using the connective and. So, tamaraws live in the Philippines, which is our first thought, letter P. Then, the connective that we have used for this sentence, and, which is the conjunction, and connecting to our next thought, which is our near extinction, letter Q. To conclude, therefore, we have to put a line, and the symbol for therefore, or the conclusion symbol, 3 dots in a triangular form. Tamaraws are near extinction, which is our letter Q. And that is how you analyze and identify what rule of inference they fall under. And this type of argument falls under simplification. Now let us analyze the next argument given. It is hotter in the beach today, or the climate change is dangerous. It is not hot in the beach today, therefore climate change is dangerous. So within this argument, there are two major thoughts. It is hotter in the beach today, and the climate change is dangerous. So we have to assign which of the following thoughts are P and Q. So for my P, I have assigned it is hotter in the beach today. And for my Q, I have assigned the climate change is dangerous. Once done assigning which of our thoughts are P and Q, we can now fully analyze our whole argument. So for our first sentence, it is hotter in the beach today, or the climate change is dangerous. So within this thought, the connective that has been used is or the disjunction connective. So it is hotter in the beach today, our letter P. Using the disjunction connective, we are connecting this to our letter Q, which is the climate change is dangerous. Under this equation, we will be putting the following sentence since we haven't yet concluded the whole thought. It is not hot in the beach today. And within this sentence, there is a negative connective, which is not. So we're gonna put the negation connective beside our letter P. Therefore, we have to put the line now and the 3 dots forming a triangle to conclude our whole thought. So our concluding thought is climate change is dangerous, which is our letter Q. And with that being said, this type of rule of inference falls under the disjunctive syllogism. And that is how you identify which rule they fall under.